Hello and welcome to Soleil's Online Money, where we teach ourselves how to make money passively. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure you subscribe to this channel so that you are notified every time we release new video. Before we go on today, please take note that it is important that we review some of the things that we have done in the past so we ensure that they are still working. Now today's video is centered around one of the videos I made sometimes last month about getting paid to read email. Getting paid to read email. I mentioned Clicksgenie as one of the sites where you can get paid to read email, and today I will be doing a quick review of what has happened or transpired on this site for your information. Now, sometimes in mail we registered for this, and then we have been keeping up. At least trying to keep up with the mails from Clicksgenie to show that we actually registered for this site. Okay, let me check for their mails from my email account. Now look at the right hand corner. It says contact@clicksgenie.com sent you 575 messages between May and June 2022, beginning with one regarding activation link. This is to confirm to you that we actually registered on Clicksgenie sometimes in May 2022. Now if you look through my mail, you observe that of course they have been sending mails consistently, but the last mail I got from them was on June 26. So if you look down, shows that I've consistently been receiving mails from them. Okay, I can keep going down and down and down. Like like you have seen, I received 575 messages between May and June 2022. So I've always been getting mail from them, reading them one. But the last time I tried reading one of their mails, I let me just open one so that we would see exactly the message, the error message given, and then that prompted me to take a step further to their site. So let's just open one of their mails and see what message that we received. Okay, yeah, this is a typical mail from them, and then the timer is going to count, and then it's going to release some cents into our accounts. Okay, normally 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, it will credit you with the stipulated amount of cents into your Clicksgenie account. So this one remains 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and to process. Okay, now this is the message I got that triggered my curiosity at what's happening. Okay, server error in application, blah blah blah. So I decided to log in directly into the account to check what was happening. I actually refreshed this page severally, and it kept coming back to this error page. So I tried going back to the site and to log in, since I already have an account with them. Okay, this is the account. I completed the verification and then I logged in, and then it says user with such email not exist, and this is the same email where I have been getting all this information. I mean all their mails. This is it. So I wonder what exactly happened. I've been getting they're getting mails on walata2k5@yahoo.com. So I wonder exactly what happened. So I assume that they possibly have deleted the account, which is just a summary of, or the only explanation to what has happened, what I think has happened. They possibly have deleted the account, and of course, since they're registered on the account, I have consistently been going through the mail sent virtually every week. I consistently have been doing that. So I wonder exactly what happened. At least the last time I checked, okay, the last time I checked was on June 19. That was the last time I checked, and I just tried checking again. I discovered that their mails were not coming. At least towards the tail end of July, I discovered that the mails were not coming. So I checked. The last mail I received from them has been June 26. And since that time, I've not gotten any mail. On June 26 particularly, I still logged in on that particular day, and then it didn't give me any, it didn't allow me to log in, saying that the account does not exist. So this literally, brings me to a conclusion that the account has been deleted. So what has happened? The question now is, well, is it a legit site? And I have some money there that has not been, claimed. So what happened? So I think something happened, and I feel you should know, since I've done a video about it, and I recommended Clicksgenie as one of those sites where you can get paid to read emails. So, well, I was one that said maybe you can, but now I'm saying no, because they deleted my account for no reason, no explanation for any reason. So, thank you so much. That is the update I want you to know. Thank you so much. God bless.